What's up, y'all? It's Gwm. So today I'm giving a holiday glam beat. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn your post notifications on. Taking Maybelline's Massive Primer to set my face before I put on my makeup. You have to have that face prepped and ready before you do anything. Leaving a hydrated soft touch, like, oh my god, when I tell you my face was so smooth. Moving on to the brows. It don't have to be a specific type of brow pencil. You can basically use what's best for you. So now I'm taking my LA Girls Pro Concealer to clean these brows, giving them a clean and sharp look. But while using the same concealer, I begin to prep my eyelids. You don't have to use the same specific type of color. You can either use a color like your skin tone or anything that works for you. And I only do this just so when I apply the eyeshadow, it basically makes the colors pop and give it a more sharp and clean definition. And while I use these concealers that you see me using, I like to really pat it in to make sure it's set before I use anything else. Going in with the P.Louise Base number 0, I would take only about a little bit. I don't want to take too much because I don't want my eyelids to be too white. Taking my black Radiance loose setting powder, I really love this powder because, you know, when you take pictures, it really don't leave that white flashback, that ashy look. It kind of gives like a clean, you know, definition. Using my James Charles palette, I begin to take this bright red, which I wish was a darker red, but that's the only reason why I took like two colors. I took the bright red and I took like a brownish color and blended them together to get like a darker red. So I was basically going back and forth with the colors because I wanted to have that real bold look. Now taking a white shadow from the palette, I kind of was real careful with patting this white on, only because I didn't want to have too much or too little of the shadow. To finish it off, I took like this light gold, you really can't tell what color it is, and I just began to pat it lightly on top of the white. Giving my eye this type of color, I took like a bright orange. I don't know why I used orange, but I just felt like it would fit in. And using my NK liquid liner, I didn't want to do any wings on the end of my eyes. I just want to keep it real simple just for this look. I didn't want to do too much. Giving this look a touch of glitter only because I haven't really done it, so I felt it was type different. And y'all might not have noticed I did my foundation only because I had to keep charging my camera, so I just got it out the way. Taking my cream concealer by E.L.F, it's actually good. This is actually my first time using it. To be honest, I thought it was gonna be bad, but it really wasn't. Like, you know how some concealers have that thick texture? I really think it depends on how you blend out your concealer. Like when you contour your face, I really do think it depends on how you blend it in. But me avoiding the concealer sitting in one spot, I would take some setting spray and spray my sponge and then begin blending out the concealer. That's the only thing I like about when you contour, like it make your face look real clean and smooth. But taking my contour brush, I would take some brown concealer and begin patting it around the light concealer because I don't want my face being too light. Now I begin to contour down my nose to give my nose that structured look. Then I went on ahead and just threw my lashes on and gave y'all like a little lip combo. But baby, look at those lashes. Make sure y'all go shop MADEBYNICOLLECTION lashes. The link will be in the description below. And finally, going back in with the black Radiance setting powder, I'm going to set my face. This is the only thing I like about doing my makeup. Like when I get to finishing my makeup, I just be too happy. Like the look my face be given, that's the only reason why. Like I just be too obsessed over my face. Not like that, but I do. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, post notifications on, click that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next upcoming videos.